When you're looking for the luxury Florida lifestyle, Jacksonville may be the last place you think of. But with its miles of beautiful beaches, the Intracoastal Waterway, and the St. Johns River, Northeast Florida actually has a wide variety of exclusive neighborhoods and luxury homes that may surprise you. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the most sought after areas Jacksonville has to offer. Stay with me. Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Delancy. I'm a realtor in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm here to help you upgrade your home and lifestyle. If you're new to my channel, I post weekly videos on the local real estate market and what it's like living in Northeast Florida. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Welcome to Atlantic Beach. Located just 30 minutes from downtown Jacksonville, this quintessential Northeast Florida beach town has remained somewhat off the radar. Atlantic Beach is actually its own city in Duval County, along with Neptune Beach and Jacksonville Beach. Each maintains its own municipal government, but the residents of the beaches vote in the Jacksonville mayoral election and are represented on the city council. The main attraction here is the beach's town center, where Atlantic Boulevard meets the ocean. It's easy to see why so many people are drawn to this place, with its relaxed, beachy vibe, but with tons of nearby conveniences. There's a variety of restaurants, from fine dining to more casual local spots, boutique shopping, and year-round events, like the once-a-month North Beaches Art Walk, featuring visual artists, local vendors, and live performers. It's one of the most popular places us locals like to hang out. It's great for walking, biking, and window shopping. Several of the restaurants and bars have ocean views and live music on the weekends. It's a great spot to enjoy the sunshine and the ocean breeze. And of course, there are several public beach accesses too. Let's take a closer look. Atlantic Boulevard is one of the major roadways in Jacksonville, Florida, that runs from downtown all the way east to the ocean. As you cross the bridge to the beaches area, you get stunning panoramic views of the Intracoastal Waterway. Once you get to the beach's town center, you're welcomed by the warm ocean breeze and sense of the salty air and sunscreen. It's a whole different vibe here, and if you love being outdoors and active, it's the perfect place to enjoy the leisurely Florida lifestyle. You'll love the walkability of this area, with dozens of local boutique shops and cafe-style dining, from casual to high cuisine. Whether you're just visiting or exploring options for your next home, this Northeast Florida hotspot is a must-see. Now let's check out some of the residential areas. I love driving through the residential areas of Atlantic Beach to see the many different styles of homes, from mid-century modern ranches, beach bungalows, and newer coastal designs. You can expect to see home prices in this area range from the 500s for condos and townhomes to the multi-million-dollar range for single-family homes and oceanfront estates. Atlantic Beach Country Club is just 3 blocks from the ocean. Originally established in 1958 as Selva Marina Country Club, it was completely reinvented in 2014. This new phase offers modern coastal-style homes by Riverside Homes and an all-new 16,000 square foot clubhouse and other beautiful amenities, including golf, a resort-style pool, tennis and dining, and everything you'd want out of the luxury Florida lifestyle right at your fingertips. There you have it, guys. Atlantic Beach is just one of many amazing luxury communities in Jacksonville. As always, if I can help answer any questions about Atlantic Beach or any other areas in Northeast Florida, I'm always easy to reach, and my contact information is always in the description. I'd love to help you with your move. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.